Hashtag self-care challenge. Hashtag new look. Hashtag face reveal. Hashtag live today. Challenge yourself for the live today. Challenge yourself. Self-care challenge. I colored my hair deep burgundy using the L'Oreal coloring kit. Tried the Garnier sheet mask at home. Tried the Maybelline New York Ultimate Magenta Slim Lipstick. Feeling fresh, soft and vibrant. Recommend trying all products. I bought all the products at Shoppers Drug Mart. You can click on the links in the description section below to purchase them online as well. The products are available for sale at Shoppers Drug Mart, lookfantastic.ca and amazon.ca. Subscribe to Live Today Challenge Yourself YouTube channel for regular updates by clicking on the subscribe button today. Complete your hashtag Live Today Challenge yourself hashtag self-care challenge and send the video to @gmail.com for a chance to be featured on the Live Today Challenge Yourself YouTube channel. Start your Live Today Challenge Yourself collection today. Click on ZII Zenith International Incorporated store link in the description section below to start shopping today.